Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor 21 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with finding and opening the settings, and here let's scroll and find wallpapers. So right here we've got pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. We've got also local photos, which means that you can enter your own files and set your own photo as a wallpaper. Here we've got a lot of pre-installed options. Moreover, you can tap on more wallpapers here and you will be transferred to the themes, but be aware you need the internet connection. As you can see, I do not have one, so I will just focus on those which are pre-installed. So all you have to do is to tap on the wallpaper which you'd like to use. This one is animated. So let's simply tap on apply. Now your device will immediately set the wallpaper. It will look a little bit different. As you can see, the wallpaper has been immediately applied. I also wanted to show you how it will look like on the regular wallpapers which are static. So after choosing the option, you will be able to tap on apply. And you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both, or lock screen. So this is how it works, and if it comes to the live wallpaper, it will be applied on both. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.